I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Lexus UX versus Mazda CX-30. We'll dive into a full comparison of these popular compact SUVs, examining their performance, interior design, and safety technologies. Our goal is to provide you with a clear understanding of each vehicle's strengths, helping you make an informed decision about which one might be the perfect fit for your lifestyle and budget. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the Lexus UX typically features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering around 181 horsepower. The Mazda CX-30, however, offers a more robust 2.5-liter engine with a turbocharged option reaching up to 250 horsepower. While both provide a smooth and comfortable ride, the CX-30 generally offers a more engaging and powerful driving experience, especially with its turbo engine. Consider your priorities for power versus efficiency. Stepping inside, the Lexus UX presents a distinctly luxurious cabin, utilizing premium materials and a refined aesthetic. The Mazda CX-30 also offers a high-quality interior with a sophisticated, driver-centric design that feels upscale. Both vehicles come equipped with modern infotainment systems and a suite of advanced safety and driver assist technologies. The choice here often comes down to personal preference for luxury versus a more minimalist, yet elegant, approach to interior design and user interface. Considering value, the Lexus UX generally commands a higher starting price, reflecting its luxury branding. The Mazda CX-30, on the other hand, provides excellent value, offering a compelling package of features, performance, and quality for its price. Both vehicles achieve strong safety ratings, providing peace of mind. Ultimately, your decision will depend on your budget, desired level of luxury, and driving preferences. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.